Welcome to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of AI. In today's video, we will be discussing three remarkable AI models: ChatGPT, Bard, and Copilot. These models have the potential to revolutionize various industries, from customer service to creative writing to software development. So, let's dive in and learn more about what makes them unique. ChatGPT, Bard, and Copilot are all large language models, LLMs, trained on massive datasets of text and code. However, each model has been designed with a specific purpose and target audience in mind. ChatGPT is a conversational AI model that excels at generating human-quality text in response to user prompts. It is ideal for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications that require natural language processing. Bard is a creative writing model that can generate poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. It is a powerful tool for writers, artists, and other creative professionals. Copilot is an AI programming assistant that can help developers write code more efficiently and accurately. It can generate code suggestions, autocomplete functions, and even debug code. Use cases: ChatGPT, Bard, and Copilot can be used in a variety of ways, depending on their unique capabilities. Here are a few examples. ChatGPT. Customer service chatbots, virtual assistants, language translation tools, creative text generation. Bard. Creative writing assistants, code generation, script writing, music composition. Copilot. AI programming assistants, code completion, code debugging, software development. Conclusion: ChatGPT, Bard, and Copilot are all impressive AI models with the potential to revolutionize various industries. Their unique capabilities make them well suited for a variety of tasks. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications for these models. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of ChatGPT, Bard, and Copilot. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI content.